Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Barnstars on Roblox. First, master your character's movement using the standard WASD keys and mouse. Interact with items and the environment by clicking or pressing E. Your primary goal is to build and manage a successful farm, earning Barnstars by completing tasks and growing crops. It's a fun world to explore and create. Earning Barnstars is key to progression. You'll gain them by completing quests, participating in minigames, and selling your harvested goods. Gathering resources such as wood, stone, and different crops is essential for crafting and building. Don't forget you can also trade items with other players to acquire specific materials you might be missing. With your collected resources, you can start building and upgrading your farm. Construct barns, coops, and other essential structures to boost your production. Personalize your space with a wide array of decorations and design elements. Remember to expand your land as you grow, giving you more room for crops and animals. For advanced play, dive into community events for special rewards and limited-time items. Consider joining a team or group to collaborate on larger projects and share resources with friends. Always be on the lookout for hidden areas and secret features within the game world. There's always something new to discover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.